How to find liked playlists, notifications, settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find liked playlists, notifications, settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and here you will find this settings icon here in top corner. Just click on it and then click here this one, notifications, and here you will find it this one, playlists I like. And now just you can disable it just by one click, and you can enable it again, and that's it. That's how to manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.